And welcome back. With me today is Chad Courtney from Courtney and Mills Law Firm. Chad, first of all, great to talk to you. Hope you are healthy, wealthy, and wise as we go through this pandemic. I want to discuss something with you. We're going to be talking about mediation today. So right off the bat, tell us what mediation is, how it works, and how it's used, primarily for those who don't know.
Certainly, Tom. Thanks. Thank you very much. Mediation is an alternative to having a trial on a dispute between parties. It gives an opportunity for you to work with a third person who's neutral, that being the mediator, and being able to discuss with them and work through solutions and ideas to resolve your dispute.
Now you're talking about rather than trial or going into a courtroom, does it carry the weight of law?
Well, it must be approved by court as far as if you're doing family court resolutions, and you want to have an agreement reached and drawn up and approved by court if you've got a pending litigation as far as the settlement is concerned. Okay,
now as far as this mediator, what qualifies someone to be a mediator?
Well, you have to go through additional training as an attorney in order to do, and specifically family law training, you have to do an additional 40 hours of mediation training through a preferred provider, an education program for it.
Now, why would you say mediation is more important now than it has been in the past?
Well, as you know, the Supreme Court of Missouri has required basically the complete shutdown as far as civil litigation is concerned in the state. There are exceptions to certain matters that are being able to be held in person, and courts are working on being able to do things over video chat like what we're talking about, and that's going to be gearing up. But they're not able to have in-person trials right now, and so that is going to cause a huge backlog in the system when this reopens up.
Yeah. So are you able to accommodate social distancing or electronic mediation right now?
Certainly. I have ability to do it over Zoom or another video conferencing program. And I'm also able to accommodate social distancing in my office with having separate conference rooms.
Well, then how does this work? How does this, differ from setting up, a traditional way to setting things up for mediation? How does that work?
Well, you can contact us and just tell us you've got an issue that you need to have resolved, and we can set an appointment, come in. And I prefer when I do mediations that I don't know anything about a case before it starts, because I'm going to have an objective view and not have any type of preconceived notions about what's going to happen in the mediation.
Yeah, so in other words, just say we need your help, but don't try and make your case right then and there. Let that develop as you go through the process.
Exactly.
All right, if people want more information about how you're able to help them, how you're able to walk them through the mediation process, how do they get that?
Well, give us a call at Courtney and Mills at 869-9888, and we can get an appointment set up to start your mediation if you'd like to do that.
It's pretty simple. All right, Chad Courtney from Courtney and Mills, thank you so much for talking with me today. Stay safe and healthy.
Thanks, Tom.
We'll be right back.